Let's move a little bit on the mathematical numerical operations you can do in Python. You can do addition, you can do subtraction, you can do divide, multiply, power, modulo, floor, division. And also we have PIMDAS, which is the precedent order of each operation here. So first of all, you do the operations inside the parentheses, then you do the exponent, then multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction in the end. So let's just try and do some of these operations in our Google Collaboratory. We have already, done some addition here. So let's do 1 minus 2. Shift enter to run this cell, and we got -1. Love it. 1 divided by 2. So this is the operation of division. 0.5. Love it. After this, we can try and multiply. You use the symbol to multiply, shift enter, 4. Amazing. And then we got modulo. What is modulo? So what modulo does is essentially, it tells us how many times you can divide. What it tells us is, if we divide the left value by the value on the right, what is the result of the division, meaning what is the number that is left? So if you divide 2 by 3, you cannot do it. So what it happens is that it cannot be divided and the rest of the number is 2. However, you can divide 3 by 3. So the resulting thing will be 0. If you want to divide 4 by 3, what happens is that 3 can divide 4 one time, and the leftover will be the number of 1. After that, we also can, do the power operation. So let's say that we want to raise 4 in the power of 2. And boom, you've got 16. You use this double multiplication to say that, oh, I raised to the power. And also we got 3 with divided by 2, but this is called floor division. What it does is it divides the first number by 2 and computes the floor of the number of division. So if we did 3 divided by 2, we would get 1.5. Let's check it. So if we write 3 divided by 2, it's 1.5. But if you floor this, if you actually go and floor it, what it does, it's essentially rounds down to the value of 1. So 3 divided by 2 will be 1. And you also, another thing you can do is call a function called round. And we'll see later on what is a function and how to divide a function. But let's say that you input the value of 1.5 inside the function round. What the round does, it will round the number, and boom, you get a value of 2. So you can also use that.